Hi! In front of me is CUBOT R19, and today I would like to show you how you can operate vibration options on this smartphone. Start by opening settings and scrolling down. Now click on sound over here and tap on the switcher next to also vibrate vocals. This way you can enable or disable vibrations for your incoming calls. Then choose shortcut to prevent ringing, and over here you need to just press power and volume up together. And now you can select off, mute or vibrate by tapping on one of those options. Then go back, tap on, tap on advanced, scroll down and tap on the switcher next to touch vibrations to turn them off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!